Welcome to AshDash Video 12. Chords have last names, just like you do. There are 3 last names that chords could have: major, minor, or diminished. Right now, we're going to focus on major and minor chords in the key of C. That means the key that starts with C and ends with C. I'm going to name the chord and follow it with the last name of major or minor. Now, we sent you pages 78 and 79 of a theory book created by Meredith Winters, and here's what those pages look like. On page 78, you're going to notice that we have the major chords, which are C, F, and G. And on page 79, we have the minor chords, D, E, and A. So if you find these pages, you'll need them for AshDash Video 12. So now, if you look at page 79 handout, you're going to see the 3 major chords, or the chords that have the last name of major. And those are on page 78. And the chords that have the last name of minor are on page 79. Okay, so if you find those, come on back to this video. But let's go back to page 78 and look at those major chords. You can really listen to how the major chords are very harmonic to your ear. And here we go. They are going to be C, F, and G. And listen to how melodic they are. C, F, G, C major, F major, G major, C major, F major, G major, C major, F major, G major, C major, F major, G major. All right, now you try that and then come back to AshDash Video 12. All right, here we are back at AshDash Video 12, and now look at page 79 of the handouts we sent you. These are the 3 minor chords that we've been playing in our chord climbs, and these minor chords are the minor chords in the key of C. Again, this is the key of C from C to C. These chords are D minor. Listen to how that sounds just a little bit sad. E minor, and a jump up to A minor. And these chords have minor as their last name. They have the note name and they have minor. So in the key of C, the minor chords are D minor, E minor, A minor. Okay? D minor, E minor, A minor, D minor, E minor, A minor, D minor, E minor, A minor. Now, only the 7th chord in every single key that we're going to be doing. The 7th chord, which is the one that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That 7th chord is always called the diminished chord. And the diminished chord will have a slightly different sound. It's always marked with the name of the note with a little circle after it. So in this case, in the key of C, it would be B diminished. We're going to talk about those diminished chords down the line on another lesson. But now, let me play all of the chords in the key of C and give their first and last names. And what I want you to pay attention to is that when you play your chord climb from now on, try to name it with the first name of the note and the last name, okay? So here we go. We got C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, and here we go, B diminished, and then we're back to C major. So I'm going to do it again. C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, B diminished, and then back up to, again, C major. Again, C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, B diminished, and we return to C major. Now, see if you can do your chord climbs in the key of C with the name of the note and its last name, major or minor. Remember, the majors are C, F, and G, and the minors are D minor, E minor, A minor. And then we got that little diminished thing, which we'll talk about later. So there you go. Now do your chord climbs with the first names and the last names of these notes in the key of C.